How to remove pops up ad on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just dive right in. So what you may do is it is pretty easy. There is a hack for it. So once you are into YouTube and the video plays on your screen, you will be finding this here video, and in some videos there are more ads. So if you do not want that, what you can do is you can basically go over the URL tab at the top. There's a section right here where it says youtube.com. You can click on it and you can head over between you can just go and put on a dash in between like this. And when you hit enter, it should probably work. If this method doesn't work, what you can do is you can just go and switch the dash to the next site. So we're going to put it right behind D. So you can just go ahead and put it like this and hit enter. And when you do, there you go. Now the video is available here in full screen and you won't be having any kind of ad. So you can see it says youtube.com, which means you won't be having any kind of pop-up ads on the videos you will be playing. So if you'd also like to have no ads, you may just head over and follow up the steps in order to do so. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.